Very good morning, dear smarts. Everyone, before your name, put smart. Smart. Smart Banu Bangaralu. Yesterday, I have given some topics. So many students did well. They have done right. But some of small mistakes are there. The mistakes are only the simplification with the symbols. Simplification or multiplication, addition, it's like that only the symbols only. They have mistaken. So I clear now before going to task, problems, before going to exercise. I just remind once, the children, so mainly everyone know the fundamentals and ground level topics. You are in 10th class now. You are in 10th class means you have known all fundamentals compulsory. You must be known. Then only you can be perfected. You get solution very easily. Otherwise, it's very tough. Smaller, simplest forms also, simplest sums also, you feel very tough. If you feel very easy, you have to know the fundamentals with the operations of addition, subtractions, multiplication, divisions, decimals, and indices, LCM. These are all. Once I recall all those, for example, minus x plus minus x plus minus x. We can write minus x. How much it is? Minus 2x. Minus 2x. Plus x minus of x. X minus x. X minus x, it's 0. X minus x, 0. Or this is equal to minus x plus x equal to 0 also. Minus x plus x equal to 0. And also children, sometimes what is minus 2 and minus 10? Minus 2 minus 10. Minus 12. Minus 12. Because these two are the same category symbols. So we add these two and put before the total number minus. Minus 2 plus 10. How much it is? Minus 2 plus 10. Difference. One is minus, other one is plus. So, do difference. 10 minus 2. 8. Or 2 minus 10. 2 minus 10. 2 minus 10 means minus 8. 2 minus 10 plus 2 minus 10. Minus 8. Or else 2 plus 10. 12 plus 12. 2 plus 10 plus 12. Have you understood, children? And also, we have, if you move with the multiplication, minus 2 into minus 10. Minus 2 into minus 10. Minus value into minus value, we change plus value. Minus into minus plus. 2 tens are 20. Plus 20. There is no symbol before number means it's a positive number. It's a positive number. So minus 2 into plus 10 equal to minus into plus minus 20. Minus 20. 2 into minus 10 plus into minus minus 20 plus 2 into plus 10 plus 20 plus 20. There are minus into minus plus, plus into plus plus, minus into plus minus, minus plus into minus, minus value. We get like this. Okay, children. Again, in division also, minus 10 by minus 2 equal to minus 10 by minus 2, minus by minus plus అవుతుంది. So 5 times plus 5. Minus 10 by 2 equal to minus 10 by 2 is equal to minus 5. Minus 5. Ten by minus 2 equal to minus 10 by 2. We can write like this. This is also minus 5. Plus 10 by minus 2. Minus 10 by plus 2. 10 by 2. 10 by 2. 5 times is equal to plus 10. Plus 10 plus 2 plus 5. This is the system. You have to follow the fundamentals. Once more, children. In yesterday's given task, so many children did well, right answers, but a few members, even students also, did a small mistake in this type of area. That's why I have explained all this. Okay. Before moving to exercise, minus 2x plus 3x equal to how much? This is also minus 2x plus 3x plus x. One is negative, one is positive. Minus 6x square minus 12x square. How much it is? Minus, these two are like terms. So 6x square minus 12x square minus 18x square. Minus 6x minus 12x square. How much? These are not like terms. This is x power 1, this is x square. So this is, we don't change it. Minus 6x minus 12x square. Otherwise, we can take common value minus 6. Minus 6 into x plus 2. If you take common minus 6, the symbols are changing. Here x means 1x plus 2 6 are 12 plus 2. That is, and again 2x minus 5x plus 6x square minus 3x cube plus x square. How much? Simplify this. 2x minus 3x means minus 2x minus 5x minus 3x minus 3x. 6x square x square 1x square. Add like terms or difference the like terms. Add or difference only like terms. 6x square 1x square 7x square minus 3x cube. That is the system of simplification. Okay, children. Okay, let's move to an exercise. Yesterday, I have given in exercise 3.3 2 and 4, 6. Again, I tell 2 root 2 1 by 3 root 2 1 by 3 alpha equal to, let alpha equal to root 2, beta equal to 1 by 3. Alpha equal to beta equal to 1 by 3. Sum of elements or sum of zeros. Sum of zeros of the sum of zeros is alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. This equal to alpha means root 3 plus beta root 2, root 2 beta 1 by 3 1 by 3. Take LCM here. Take LCM. LCM 3. Here 1 into 3, 3 times 3 root 2 plus 3 1 time 1. This is 3 root 2 plus 1 by 3. Sum of zeros and product of zeros. Product of zeros. Product of zeros alpha beta. Alpha beta. Root 2 into 1 by 3. Root 2 into 1 by 3. Root 2 into 1 by 3. Alpha root 2 beta 1 by 3. This is equal to root 2 by 3. Root 2 by 3. Therefore, the quadratic equation is the quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. This is the equation. Quadratic polynomial. Equation means if you put 0 equal to, that is called equation or its polynomial. X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. Substitute x square. What is alpha plus beta? 3 root 2 plus 1 by 3 x plus alpha beta root 3 by root 2 by 3. This is, otherwise x square minus 3 root 2 plus 1 by 3x plus root 2 by 3. This is the polynomial. Copy down. Okay, children. Next, I am going to tell some more topics in this model. Okay, children. Next, so find the zeros of the polynomials. Find the zeros of the polynomial. Stop. Zeros of the polynomial. Polynomials. P of x. P of x equal to 3x plus 5. P of and second. P of x equal to 3x square minus 7x plus 4. Let P of x equal to 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5 equal to 0. 3x plus 5 equal to 0. 3x plus 5 equal to 0. 3x equal to minus 5. Plus x equal to minus 5 by 3. 0 of the given polynomial is, therefore 0 of the given polynomial is minus 5 by 3. Zeros means let the given polynomial equal to 0, then have to find the values of x or any other variable. Okay, children? Do you understand? Second one, let P of x equal to 3x square minus 7x plus 4 equal to 0. Okay. 3x square minus 7x plus 4 equal to 0. This is very important. How to solve? Listen very concentrated and carefully, children. It's very important. This is. I think so many of students be doubted. 3x square. We have to write minus 7x, the sum of two polynomials, minus 7x, minus 7x. Once multiply these two, 3 4s are 12, plus 12x square. We divide this minus 7x or the sum of two numbers. We write those numbers, product of those numbers will be this one. So compulsory we take minus 3x minus 4x. Once add these two, minus 3x minus 4x minus 7x. Multiply these two, minus into minus plus, 3 4s are 12. Is it okay? Now okay. Otherwise, we can write also minus 7x, minus 5x and minus 2x line. This is also, if we add minus 7x we get. But if we multiply these two, what is the product we get? Plus 10. But we want plus 12. So this is not subset. Now 3x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Take common 3x. How can we take common? Here 3x, here also 3x. That's why take common 3x. The remaining x here. 3x minus 1. Here minus 1 take common. Sorry, minus 4 common. Minus 4. X minus 1 equal to 0. Here x minus 1 and 3x minus 4 equal to 0. X minus 1 equal to 0 or 3x minus 4 equal to 0. X equal to 1 or 3x equal to 4. 3x equal to 4. X equal to 1 or x equal to 4 by 3. Zeros of the given polynomial is R 1 4 by 3. 1 4 by 3. Confidential, eh? Sir, outside. Very important. This model. Find the value of k. Find the value of k. Find the value of k if kx cube plus 9x square plus 4x minus 8 leaves a remainder minus 20 when divided by x plus 3. When divided by x plus 1 divided by x plus 3. దీని అర్థం ఏంటంటే x plus 3 తో డివైడ్ చేసినప్పుడు దీనికి వచ్చేటువంటి రిమైండర్ -20. So the given f of x equal to kx cube plus 9x square plus 4x minus 8. According to the sum, given sum, f of minus 3, x plus 3 means f of minus 3 equal to minus 20. F of minus 3 equal to minus 20. Otherwise, f of minus 3 means put instead of x minus 3, k into minus 3 whole cube plus 9 into minus 3 plus 4 into minus 3 minus 8 equal to minus 20 because the remainder minus 20. Just we substitute in this term instead of x minus 3. This is the most important stage. In some types of sums, minus 3 or minus 2 or plus 2 or any other. F of minus 3 equal. So simplify it. Minus 3 whole cube. I told before, the minus value whole power odd number means the symbol changes the minus. So minus 3 cube means 27. 3 square 9. 9 threes are 27. Minus 27k. And plus into minus, minus 9 threes are 27. Plus into minus, minus 12. Minus 8 equal to minus 20. Minus 27k. Here minus 12 minus 8 minus 20. Minus 20 minus 27 minus 47. Once again, these are all minus values. So add all those and put minus before that number. We don't add these two because this is minus 27 case. Minus 27 case is only minus 47. We don't add this, we don't subtract from one another. These are unlike terms. These are case and this is normal numeral. So equal to 0, equal to minus 20. Now minus 27k equal to minus 20. It changes to the symbol plus 47. RHS, if we send RHS, changes its symbol plus 47. For example, here plus 47 changes minus 47. What is the value? Minus 20 plus 47 plus 27. Minus 27k equal to plus 27. K equal to minus 27 by 27. 1. K equal to minus 1. The value of k equal to minus 1. Find the value of k. Therefore, k equal to minus 1. It's most important for 2 marks or 1 mark. Okay? Copy down, children. Close it. Find the zeros of the given polynomials. Given polynomials. Find zeros. X square minus x minus 2, x square minus 3, 4x square plus 3x minus 1, 4x square minus 8x plus 3. Find these four zeros of polynomial. Okay.